How to tell TikTok what you're interested in directly. Start out on your profile page. Then, tap on the icon in the top right corner with three horizontal lines. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're on this page, scroll down to the Content and Display section. Then, tap on Ads. On the Ads page, tap on how your ads are personalized. Now you can see there's a big list of different categories here. TikTok will show you some of the information it thinks it knows about you. I don't know why it says I thinks I'm a female. I certainly didn't put that on purpose if I selected that when making my account. So I'm going to quickly change that to male because I am in fact male. But you can see that they have lots of topics here: education, pets, apps, and so on. So if you tap on one, I'm going to tap on pets. You can see there's more subcategories that you can, select either I'm interested in this, I'm not interested in this, or I have no preference. Now, this is specifically for ads, but it's theorized that TikTok does use this sort of data to determine what content to show you as well. If you do want to have more control over the content in your algorithm, I do have other videos for that. You can also mark not interested on videos that don't interest you, things like that. Anyway, there you go. Before you leave, check this out.